In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a friend online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so you can clean up your contact list with confidence. Start by launching the Line app on your phone. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in and complete any quick verification. A stable internet connection helps here so the app can load your latest contacts and settings smoothly. From the main screen, look for the Home tab. It's typically on the bottom bar. Tap Home to get to the place where Line organizes your profile, services, and most importantly, your contacts. Next, tap Friends to open your full contact list. This is where every person you've added appears. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you have in mind. Typing their display name is usually the fastest way to narrow it down. Once you've located the friend you want to remove, it's time to bring up the Action menu. On Android, press and hold their name. This is a long press until a menu pops up. You'll feel a small vibration or see a highlight when it registers. If you're on another device and a long press doesn't show options, tap in a way that opens the Contacts Options menu. The goal is to reach the screen or pop-up where actions like deleting are available. When you see the option, tap Delete. The app may show a confirmation message asking if you're sure. Read the prompt, then confirm. This step prevents accidental removal, so take a second to be certain you've chosen the right contact. After you confirm, that person will be removed from your friends list. They won't be notified that you deleted them, and you'll no longer see them among your contacts. Any existing chats may still appear in your chat list until you remove those separately, so don't be surprised if the conversation thread remains visible. If you ever change your mind later, you can add them again by searching for their profile or accepting a new invite. That's all there is to it. Open Line, log in if needed, go to Home, tap Friends, find the contact, long press on Android to open options, and choose Delete, confirming when prompted. Take a moment to review your list afterward to make sure everything looks right. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to keep your Line friends organized.